What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. And it is December 13th, 2024, just for reference. And this is going to be how to mine Jellyfish coin, which is actually the coin that me and my team had launched about a week ago. We launched it, or a little over a week ago. We launched it on December 4th, 2024. And I keep getting asked, how do I mine Jellyfish coin? How do I mine Jellyfish coin? Well, it is a Solana token. So technically you cannot mine it, but we have our favorite website for that, unmineable.com. Obviously you could mine something through some other website and convert it, but Unmineable just makes it easy for anybody. So if you're looking to turn your computer and use some of the available or extra resources, maybe when you're not using it, or you have a dedicated rig you want to turn onto it, there is options. So let me show you one of the easiest ways to get up and going. So we're going to go over to this screen right here. You're going to want to go to unmineable.com. This is not a paid endorsement video or anything through Unmineable, so you can use any service. This is just an easy, quick way to get up and going. Now, at the top, you can click on Start and Start Earning, and you're going to want to set this to Bonk. So Bonk is just a coin that has super low withdrawal limits, and right now the payouts with free payouts with no fees is set at 15,000 Bonk, and it's on the Solana network, which is good because we're on the Solana network with our coin as well, so we're swapping it inside the same network. Muy bien. Now, where the issue you run into is a lot of people are like, why don't you just mine Solana and then convert Solana into Jellyfish coin? Well, I don't know why it keeps moving me down right there. Solana has a super high withdrawal limit. So the minimum withdrawal on Solana is $11, whereas 15,000 Bonk is less than 60 cents. So in the time it would take to get 11 or one payout on Solana, you could have 18, 19 payouts, if not more, on Bonk, and that lets you get into the network and swap to not only Jellyfish but other coins sooner as well. So just lots more options, and obviously you could take this guide and you could tweak it and click on Start Earning something different if you wanted to earn something different. But for right now, we're going to set this to Bonk, and the next thing you're going to need to go to is to Get Started. So click on Get Started, and then click right here where my face is at. Let me move myself out of the way, where it says Unminer. You're going to download that and install it. Sometimes it does trigger some antiviruses, and it'll show up that there is a virus inside of there. That's because mining applications were commonly and still are commonly used by a lot of viruses. They will infect a lot of computers, and they will turn miners on those computers to mine for the person that is deploying that virus. Now, if you are using the miner for yourself, obviously it's not a virus. I've used Unmineable for a long time. I know a lot of people that have used Unmineable. There's no question that there's no issues with Unmineable and viruses. So you may have to tell Chrome to allow the download. If you've been in the space for a while, it's just part of the process. So download that, follow the prompts, install it. You don't have to do anything special. Once you get to that point, then you'll have a window that looks something like this right here. It's just got like some news and updates, that kind of thing. We're going to click Continue, and then you can click Auto Detect, or you can go to the settings page, and I'll show you a little bit of that. If you click Auto Detect and you have a graphics card in, depending on the graphics card, it might be able to mine something, it might not. The Auto Detect on Unmineable is not always the greatest. So if you auto detect and go next and start mining and it doesn't mine anything, then you come back to this page and go to the settings page, and pretty much all Windows computers, you're good to go to mine on the CPU. So if your graphics card's not doing well, or if you're just not experienced with picking the correct algorithm, because you can click GPU and then you can click how much VRAM you have and then select different algorithms for each of those, and all those have different profitability, and we can go in a more in-depth video in the future. But the easiest way and the most common way is just click CPU, click Random X for the mining algorithm, and then you can set it for your mining intensity to low or high. The way I explain this to a lot of people, if you set it on low, For example, then you'll still be able to use your computer and it won't bog it down too much. If you set it on high, I don't suggest using your computer at the same time. Obviously, bigger CPUs have less problems than some of the smaller ones. So just take that with a grain of salt. If you set it on high, I would only mine on your computer when you're not using it. Now we're going to set mine to low because I am I'm recording right now. So I don't want it to mess up my recording. We're going to click save. Then we're going to click next, and you're going to select a coin or token. This is where you select Bonk. So you drop down window, type in Bonk, and see where it says Sol. That's the Solana network. That's good. Then you need to enter your address. I'm using Phantom Wallet. If you need just a quick little video on what Phantom Wallet is and how to get it set up, I will have that link down below in the description. Phantom Wallet's nice. It's just easy. It's fast. That kind of thing. So whenever you're in your Phantom Wallet and have it set up, it'll look something like this. Let me get my face out of the way again. Move me. There we go. It'll look something like this. All you have to do is click on Solana and then click receive. Your Bonk address is your Solana address, just like your Jellyfish address is your Solana address. All Solana tokens are going to come in and out of your original Solana address. That's how it works. And make it really simple. Makes it easy. So copy your Solana address and then go back to unmineable, put it in where it says enter your address, and then you can enter a referral code. I suggest using your own referral code. It helps with the cut down the fees. Do not use my referral code. This is going to be a test over time, and I will be revisiting this to see how much I earn, and I would prefer not to have any referrals in there mucking up the numbers, if you know what I mean. So we're going to click start right here, and I'm going to let this bad boy pretty much just run in the background on low for the foreseeable future. Now let me open up and check the logs. Right here down in the bottom, the little, oh, we got a subscriber. Right, this little piece of paper right here where it says check the logs, you can click on that and you can see that it's actually doing something. If it's not doing something, sometimes it'll have an error in there, so you can figure out what's going on. Now let me close that. Local hash rate 600, 500. We're not putting down a lot of hash rate, but we're also not using a lot of resources. Now this is going to earn a ridiculously low amount of Bonk over time. A good way to actually see that is you can go to start earning Bonk, go down here, type in or click on CPU, make sure it's selected random X. What is our hash rate right now? 580, and you can type 580. So we will be earning 321 Bonk a day or 9,000 a month. So that's not great. I'm actually, you know what? We're gonna pump this up. We're gonna stop this. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go to settings, and we're gonna set this bad boy to high, because low just ain't gonna cut it. We're gonna start that, and we should get a much better hash rate. Much better hash rate. We'll let it spool up real quick. And ladies and gentlemen, I am on a really old system. I'm on an Intel Xeon from like a bajillion years ago. So some of these, especially some of these AMD systems, these newer AMD Ryzen 7, Ryzen 9s, they put down a lot of hash rate, so you can earn quite a bit of coins over time. Okay, so that's better right now. We're putting down 2,700 while we're recording. So 2,700, we're looking at almost 1,500 Bonk a day. And so that means we'd get a payout about every 10 days right now. Now, if you have a graphics card in there, you can run 2 instances or 2 of the Unminer applications, and you can mine on the CPU and the GPU at the same time. But for right now, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, if I'm going to mine on this GPU or not. I have a 3070 in here, and I think that would earn significantly more than the CPU. But I don't know. I'm not sure. Now, I'm going to let that bad boy, well, I'm actually not, because I wanted to show you how to swap inside the wallet. So we're going to stop that. You can actually enter your Bonk address right here, or your Solana address, search it, and then you can see your stats. Obviously, we don't have any stats because we just started right now. But we're going to close that, and then to swap to your Jellyfish token, all you got to do is, once your coins are in here, you can click on a coin. Your Bonk will just show up right there. You can click on it, and then you can click swap, and we're going to pay in, say, for example, Bonk. We don't have any, so it's not showing up. We'll leave it on Solana, and then we'll receive. We're going to search for JellyFC is the ticker. So you'll notice there's some unverified, and then there's some pump fund tokens. There are some scam ones out there. People made copycat coins, so you have to make sure you click the right one. You just go over here and click the little circle on the right side for information. This one, it has status graduated, created on pump.fund. That means it was on pump.fund and it graduated to the Radium liquidity pool. Market cap 353,000. This is the correct one. All the other ones have no money in them, and they're super low market cap, and they don't have any movement. So over the last week, it's up 700%. Over the last month, technically we haven't been out. We've been out for a little over a week, but we're up 600%, and the last day is about a 27% jump. So I'm going to try to get these swapped over as soon as I can, as soon as I get payouts. And I'll probably revisit this video after a month. But we're going to backspace this, and I'll show you one of the scam ones. For example, this one right here has no price history, and the market cap, and it shows 900K, but this is all fake. Traders, there's one trader, top 10 holders, 100%. So one person owns all these coins. That's a fake one. Go down here. That's a fake one as well. It has not hit the bonding curve. Market cap 6,000. Volume is $186. So another fake one. And then the last one is another fake one. Market cap 6,000. There's no price. So I guess the price is also a dead giveaway as well. So 24-hour volume, $33,000 has been traded. 618 trades and 149 traders. So the last way to actually double check as well is to check the mint address. GFREY is the correct mint address. You can double check that mint address. It's the same thing as like the contract address over in the Discord or the website for Jellyfish Coin. We're waiting on our domain name to come through. So Jellyfish Coin website will have a new domain name here soon. But it's got the mint address, GFREY. We actually just added the deck screener embedded into the website. So if you wanted to use that as well, and then just some other information. So anyway, guys, I wanted to thank you all for coming out. I really appreciate it. I probably will upload this video to Brandon Coin and also to the Jellyfish Coin YouTube channel. So if you're watching this on Brandon Coin, we'd really appreciate it if you jump over and click the link down below in the description and join the subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then also join the Jellyfish Coin Discord. This is a community-based coin. We have 1 billion total supply, and all 4 of the initial starting developers or founders, team members, we call them the core team, have their wallets publicly displayed on the Discord in the info section, so you can see that we're all holding, and everybody has pledged not to sell. So we did buy some other coins as it's been dipping and stuff, just trying to help the price keep moving. And we're doing weekly live streams over there, giveaways, all kinds of fun stuff. So with that being said, I'm going to jump off here. I want to wish you guys a happy weekend, and I'll see you on the flip side. So adios.